You ever try to DM a girl and try to set up a time to hang out or go on a date, and she always got one excuse after another? You probably hear that if a girl likes you, she'll make time for you, and she'll be available to guys she likes, right? But then you probably think like, nah, that's not true because the girl I'm talking to, I mean, she always busy. You feel what I'm saying? And if she, but she always replying to my texts and stuff, so she must like me. So maybe she's just busy. You feel what I'm saying? She's just always busy. You feel what I'm saying? Gang, bro. She's busy, but she's busy for you. She's not busy for the 6'5" light-skinned nigga on the basketball team, you feel me? Or the dark-skinned dreadhead who's a trapper or some shit like that, you feel what I'm saying? She's busy for you because she wants those niggas, but she does not want you, bro. That's why what's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy GLX back with another video for y'all, man. Back with another banger. And in this video, I'm gonna be telling y'all exactly why girls don't want to talk to you in specific, and why they don't want to talk to you, and how you can fix it. You feel what I'm saying? Be sure to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, y'all. Without further ado, let's get straight into it, man. The first reason, man, is because you have nothing going for yourself. Understand, bro, the reason why the girls will pick the athlete, the trapper, or the scammer or somebody over you is one, well, fun if they pick the scammer or something, is because they trashy girls and you shouldn't be talking to them anyway. But two, is mainly not just because of your looks, but it's because they all got something going for them. They all got something that they're doing. Females are attracted to a man with a purpose or a mission. And when you're busy chasing your dreams and purpose, it makes females chase you. How the attraction level should go is you're up here chasing your purpose, chasing your dreams, and the females are down here chasing you because they see you chasing your purpose and they want to get in on that. You feel what I'm saying? Females have a sixth sense when it comes to niggas because they have to in order to survive. That's how they're able to sense the man with the best genes, the best intelligence, and who's able to provide for them. Who's the best provider, the best fighter, the best all this and that. You feel what I'm saying? They got a sixth sense of this shit. So, as a female, they know when you're not busy. They know when you have no purpose in your life. When you're not doing nothing with your life. They can smell it on you almost, bro. Like, they can sense that shit for real. Like, I'm telling you, it's really scary out here. Like, females really can sense that shit on you, bro. Like, I never understood that to myself. And they know when you're chasing them. They know when you're not busy because you're going to be chasing them. Understand that when a man is truly busy, he has no time for females. He has no time to be chasing females. So if you're able to actually like be texting these females constantly 24/7 and be like, oh yeah, let's set up this time, let's set up this day, when are you free? Hello, how you doing? How's your morning? This and that, just texting them a bunch of stuff, bro. They know you're not busy, which means they know that you don't have anything going on for yourself. They know you don't work, they know you don't do nothing. You feel what I'm saying? Some of y'all watching this are probably in high school, some of y'all watching this are probably in college, right? But for my high school people, if y'all want the quickest way to get girls, bro, get a job. And if you don't have a job, or if you already have a job, get a side hustle or something. You feel what I'm saying? The reason I say that, not many people are gonna say that. Like, I bet if you go on YouTube and you've been searching up like how to get girls and stuff, probably nobody has told you like to get girls you need to get a job. But the reason why is so simple, bro. First of all, getting a job, it makes you more responsible. Understand, if you're in high school, bro, chances are your parents are paying for everything, and you don't know really how the world works. You don't know like how bills work. You don't know how loans work. You don't know how, you know what I'm saying, interest and all that stuff works. You don't know how like all this real world stuff works. And because you're just a kid, you feel what I'm saying? And when you get a job, girls will see that as you almost stepping into the real world. It's kind of like bridging your way to the real world. You feel what I'm saying? That's why females love trappers and scammers, at least like ratchet females, you feel what I'm saying? Females in the hood and shit. They love trappers and scammers and shit, like niggas that like be on that bullshit, you feel what I'm saying? Because to them, that's their world, and that's the real world that they live in, you feel what I'm saying? And that's nothing more excites them more than living that type of life, you feel what I'm saying? I remember when I first got my first job in high school. I was a junior in high school. I got my first job working at Urban Air, a trampoline park. And when I worked there, bro, I did not get no girls in high school. But when I first started working there, bro, I was attracting the females who worked at my job. You feel what I'm saying? And it was a lot. Like, I was attracting a lot of females. I'm not gonna lie. And it was crazy to me how me just getting that job made me attract all the females, not just at my work, but even the females who were like coming to my job to, like, you know what I'm saying, play around. I got like a lot of females during that time, but I didn't do nothing with it because I ain't gonna lie, I was a pussy, and I was trying to wait till marriage, even though I didn't stick to that shit for real. But yeah, you know what I'm saying, like, I was a pussy. But regardless, when you're in high school and you have a job, it puts you ahead of so many other niggas, because girls see that and they be like, so he has a job now, he's making his own money. And possibly, if you're making your own money, bro, understand that when you get your first paycheck, you're gonna walk different, you're gonna talk different, you're gonna look different, because it's like a mental thing. You feel what I'm saying? When I got my first paycheck, bro, I was moving so different. Like, it's crazy how much that money can change you. Not even like change you, but like change you in a good way, because you get more confident and you will understand, like, you're trying to make money now for real, and you don't gotta rely on mom and dad as like you used to. You still technically got to, because you're probably making like $10 an hour, but like you don't gotta rely on them as much as you used to. You feel what I'm saying? Now the second reason, man, is you're trying to go where you're not wanted. You're trying to put up shots where it's contested. You feel what I'm saying? Now, this is probably the biggest reason out of all. This should probably be number one, if I'm being honest, because there are a lot of niggas out there. Like I just said, girls want a guy with a job, but there's a lot of niggas out there who don't have a job, who are broke as shit, living in their mama's house still, borrowing their girl's car to go out and shit, just fucking around, and yet they still have the ability to cheat. They still cheated on their girl. I mean, isn't that crazy, like, to say that? But bro, these niggas are broke as shit with no job. You out here and you actively looking for a girl. You're struggling with a girl. But however, these niggas, not only do they have a girl, but they get so many females attracted to them that they're able to cheat on their girl. You feel what I'm saying? Now, the reason that they're able to cheat on these girls is because they know that the females that they talk to are attracted to them, therefore they want them. You feel what I'm saying? And he knows that he goes where he's wanted. Now understand this. There's nothing wrong with putting shots up, right? Because obviously you miss 100% of the shots that you don't take. Everybody knows that. There's nothing wrong with shooting your shot, nothing wrong with talking to girls, trying to talk to girls and all this stuff, right? But the trouble comes when you don't understand where you're not wanted. You feel what I'm saying? Because it gets easier to put up shots when you're uncontested. What that means is, if girls at your school don't like you, then try looking at other girls from a different school, or try even a different city, different area of your city. You feel what I'm saying? Because understand, bro, not every girl on earth is gonna like you. Not every girl likes every attractive girl. I mean, not every girl likes every attractive guy. You feel what I'm saying? There could be a guy that's like 100, like that's like a, you know what I'm saying, 6'3", perfect skin, you know, dark skin, dreads, whatever, you know what I'm saying? Whatever the beauty standard is, there can be a girl who, there can be a guy who objectively everybody likes, but there's gonna be some girls who don't like it. You feel what I'm saying? Not everybody likes Duke Dennis. Not everybody likes the attractive niggas. You feel what I'm saying? Not everybody likes Future. You feel what I'm saying? Not every girl is attracted to Future. You feel what I'm saying? Because there are some girls in some areas who like certain niggas, and there's some girls who other areas who like other niggas. You feel what I'm saying? For example, hood girls like a certain type of nigga. Hood niggas. You feel what I'm saying? Trappers, scammers, robbers, all that stuff. You feel what I'm saying? They're not gonna like a quiet, shy, nerdy type of nigga, or a nigga who's just regular, who just goes from 9 to 5. You feel what I'm saying? Because that's the type of bitch that they are. Type of female that they are. You feel what I'm saying? But however, if you go to a different area, let's say a higher income area, there's gonna be a lot of girls who like those quiet, soft type of niggas who don't like the trappers, scammers, robbers and shit, because they feel like that's also bullshit. You feel what I'm saying? So you gotta, if you're a soft type of nigga, if you're a nerdy type of nigga, go to the higher income areas and start shooting your shot there. You feel what I'm saying? Because that's who, those girls will like you, not the girls that you're currently trying to talk to. You feel what I'm saying? When I started working at that job I was talking about, the girls who liked me were predominantly the girls at that job. Because I'm not gonna lie, in my high school, I wasn't getting no type of play. You feel what I'm saying? I had my girlfriends there like then and there. Like I had like, I think in the whole time of high school, in my 4 years of high school, I think I had 2 girlfriends in total. And no girls were fucking with me. You feel what I'm saying? No girls was fucking with me at my high school like that. But the minute I go to this job, it's in a different area of my town, bro. I was getting so many females, bro. I literally was 18 years old. Mind you, I'm a virgin. I still got my V card, and I've never even kissed a girl at this point, right? However, I bagged this 25-year-old single mom, and she gave me my first kiss. You feel what I'm saying? Now that's kind of crazy to say out loud, but like think about it, that bro. Like within like my first month, I already got my first kiss at that. You feel what I'm saying? At that job, I already bagged a girl, and I bagged multiple girls. You feel what I'm saying? At that job, because that area was attracted to me. That area liked me a lot. You feel what I'm saying? Now another story, when I got to college, because like I said, in high school, no girls really fucked with me like that. But when I got to college, bro, that was a different story entirely, bro. I got to college in like the end of August. And by October, bro, I lost my V card. You feel what I'm saying? I lost my V card in less than 2 months when I got to college, bro. That is crazy to me. You feel what I'm saying? That is crazy because literally, bro, like in high school, bro, there were niggas who was fucking multiple girls at once. Like niggas was fucking. You feel what I'm saying? But I didn't know niggas were fucking. But like now, when I got to college, like it was a completely different environment. There were a lot of girls who wanted me. I was talking to a lot of girls at the time, and I was trying to be a hoe actually. But I settled down with this one girl and I lost my V card to, and now we still going steady right now. You feel what I'm saying? But that just shows you the power of switching your environment out. Because this environment now, the college environment now, the girls like me more. You feel what I'm saying? Rather than my high school days, the girls didn't like me at all. Now, long story short, bro, if you don't get buckets on the court you're playing on, switch the gym. Put up shots in a different court, shots in a different bucket. You feel what I'm saying? Now, the third and final reason why you don't get females is because you stop being authentic around these females. Y'all ever have that one friend that just be doing way too much? The minute he even senses a female is in his vision, bro, the minute he sees a female, they'll go, oh, we got female right there. I'm gonna just start dirty macking on my niggas. You feel what I'm saying? I'm finna just start calling my bro's little bro, saying, oh yeah, saying all types of outrageous shit, you feel what I'm saying? This and that. He changes his whole identity of females. That's how you look to females. Understand that females know when you're not being authentic. Females can sense that shit. Like I said, they got a sixth sense about niggas. Females can sense when you're not being authentic to yourself. And they hate that shit. You feel what I'm saying? Especially if you want to do all these pickup lines, doing all these YouTube guys on how to pick up girls and shit, looking at ChatGPT for what to say. No, bro. Stop doing that, bro. Imagine using ChatGPT to talk to a girl. Bro, just talk to the girl, bro. Just talk to her. Be yourself. Like, just be yourself, bro. Because a female who actually likes you, does not want you to do that. A female who actually likes you, and I'm saying this bro, like, understand, a female who likes you wants you to be yourself. You feel what I'm saying? That sounds crazy. And the reason this sounds crazy is because you're still surrounded by females who don't like you for you. Again, you haven't switched your cord out. You feel what I'm saying? Haven't been to a different gym. You feel what I'm saying? You haven't gone to an area where females actually like you. You feel what I'm saying? But once you go to a place where females actually like you, you see, just be yourself, bro. They like you for you. You feel what I'm saying? You don't need to act different for them to like you. And the way I used to do it, bro, the way I used to attract females all the time, I would purposely be myself and purposely do shit that I would think is cringy to females, but it's what I like to do. You feel what I'm saying? And I would do this as sort of like a test to see if females actually fucked with me or not. You feel what I'm saying? Sometimes I would do cringy shit and see if females actually fucked with me or not. And if they didn't, then I would filter that out, because that's a filter. You feel what I'm saying? Being yourself is a natural filter for females, because it shows you who actually fucks with you and who doesn't fuck with you. Because understand, if they fuck with you like this, then imagine how much they like you when you like this. You feel what I'm saying? And also, bro, understand, this is the one thing that really changed the way I view females, bro. Understand, it is not up to you if a female likes you. I'm gonna say that again. It is not up to you if a female likes you. Females will like you if they want to. They don't like you because you do certain things. Understand, if a female likes you because of the way you do certain things or like your actions or some shit, but if they don't like you anymore because they get the ick from something you did, they never liked you, bro. Females don't get the ick for niggas that they like. Let me say that again. Females don't get the ick for people that they like, for niggas that they like. You feel what I'm saying? So if a girl likes you, then she likes you. If she don't like you, then she don't like you. It's not up to you whether or not she likes you. So stop thinking about, oh yeah, if I do this, then she won't like me anymore. No, bro. She won't like you anymore because of just how you are. It isn't because of what you do. It's just because of you. If she likes your vibe, how you do things, then cool. That's it. If you don't like your vibe at all, if you don't like your vibe, then just move on. Keep it pushing. You feel what I'm saying? Stop worrying about who like you and who don't like you. You feel what I'm saying? But man, that's all I got for this video, y'all. Appreciate y'all watching the whole video, man. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, man. Peace.